Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and degreasing the doll to ensure paint adhesion. Use soap, water, then 70% isopropyl. Once dry, sand with 220-320 grit to scuff the surface, because smooth plastic repels paint. Apply a thin coat of primer or gesso. This creates an even base and prevents streaks. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and let the primer cure for about 24 hours. This ensures the first layer of color bonds correctly. Now you mix your chosen acrylic or airbrush paints to match the target skin tone and test on scrap material to confirm the hue. Start applying 2 to 4 thin layers rather than one thick coat because thin layers dry evenly and avoid pooling. Wait 10-15 minutes between coats. Use translucent washes and a soft sponge to build subtle gradients around joints and cheeks, since this mimics real skin depth. Once satisfied, let the paint rest overnight for full cure. To finish, you seal the paint with a matte or satin clear coat. Spray 2 thin coats, allowing 12 to 24 hours drying time. This protects against wear and unifies the finish. Once cured, carefully reassemble the doll, using gentle heat on vinyl to ease tight fittings if required. If you encounter lifting or peeling, stop. Sand the affected area lightly, reprime, and reapply thin color layers. This troubleshooting step restores adhesion and prevents repeating the same mistake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.